Hi, my name is Mercy Miles Jenkins, and I am the CEO and founder of Legacy Driven Consulting. And so I support women to evolve and emerge to be their authentic selves. So listen, I joined Toraya Avant at her boot camp. And so I was able to finish my book, my manuscript in 4 days. Not only that, I was able to pre-sell more than 50 books and make close to $1,800 in just doing that. All right. And so her training is phenomenal. I love the way she taught us how to do the outline. It just invoked so much discipline and it enabled me to get through the process so much more quicker. And so I'm just going to say this. Listen, if you have a book that you're trying to write, get in contact with her. She's phenomenal. She knows what she's doing. Listen, how I found out about Toraya was she was on my feed. I saw a Facebook ad and I checked her out, and this woman was legit. She gave so much value, and I said, man, I got to get in that class. And so I did. And let me tell you something, I have not been disappointed. And so I know you're not. Okay. So if you're on the fence, get off the fence, right? Get involved. She definitely will support you and help you to get your best offer life together, okay? Like they say. So listen, if you want to get hold of my book, you can do that. The name of my book is called Rebuild, Reset, Recover, 7 Steps to Spiritual Abuse Recovery. And you can get hold of that book on www.coachmercymilesjenkins.com. All right, take care.